This video describes how to use a combination of business application names, monitoring attributes, and attribute qualifiers to generate precise and meaningful alerts. Consider the following scenario. To better understand how connectivity workload is distributed across the TCP/IP stack, you recently grouped your IP addresses by department into the following business application definitions: A company finance, A company HR, A company factory, and A company IT. We can make use of these business applications by modifying the resource attributes and qualifiers so that the product generates meaningful alerts for specific IP addresses. As an example, let's define an alert for the finance application, A company finance, that warns us when the number of active connections during payroll processing exceeds 1,000. This state could significantly slow or even interrupt processing. To add an application as a qualifier and associate an alert, we first access the TCP/IP stack resource. Type ipmon at the command line. At the IP resource monitor, type filter stack to display a list of all monitored stacks. Type next to the stack. The monitoring definition panel displays a summary of the current monitoring. Type U on the connection workload monitoring line. Note that in our environment, the monitoring definition consists of 5 attributes: con active, con bytes, con connects, con total bytes, and con total connects. Con active and con bytes are specifically designed to monitor by business application, meaning that the applications are available as qualifiers in the monitoring definition. Let's select con active to see how this works. The Alert Control Details panel for con active indicates that although monitoring has been defined, alerting has not. So let's define an alert for the finance application. Enter a question mark in the qualifier field. Tab down to the ACO Finance application and select the application. Tab down and type S next to High Value Alert. Type 1000 in the Alert when value is greater than field. Type a number between 0 and 4 in the Severity field, with 1 being the most critical and 4 being least. 0 indicates that any actions that you associated with the alert will execute without raising an alert. Optionally, type a description in the Alert Description field. If you enter nothing, the product will automatically provide a meaningful description. At this point, you can add more alerting details or define actions for the alert, such as email notification. To complete the alert definition, press F3. Press F3 again. The A company finance application is now a qualifier on your TCP/IP stack monitoring definition, which allows for specific alerting when active connections in your payroll processing application exceed 1,000. For more information about using business applications, attributes, and qualifiers, access the product documentation at techdocs.broadcom.com. Visit the Broadcom mainframe software education site to access web-based training and the opportunity to earn a digital badge. Both are available at no cost to customers on active maintenance. And if you have any questions or comments, reach out to us via communities or support. Thank you.